Assalamu alaikum. Dear learners, I hope you're fine and doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my first use of MANUS AI. You might have heard about it. It has taken the internet by storm, and it is the first general purpose AI agent that you can use. So I've applied for its free access a couple of weeks ago, and yesterday I received an email that I'm through, and they have given me some credit to use it. So I'm going to explore this thing with you and see what it can do. So if you go to Manus and try to log in, it will ask you for an email address, and you can provide it, and they say that they will review it and will allow you to have a limited access after a successful review. So once you have received this kind of email, you can click on this try Manus, and then you can log into your Manus account, which has limited accessibility and limited usage, which is shown over here. So this is my Manus account, and over here you can see that it's quite similar to ChatGPT interface or other AI tools interface. If you scroll down, there are certain examples that this general AI agent can do. For example, it can plan your trip to Japan or any other destination. It can research on products for clothing industry, comparative analysis of insurance policies, and there are some other things as well. So you can explore those use cases. But today I want to try it and want to generate some Google Slides using Manus AI. I want to test it, whether it can generate Google Slides or not. I haven't done it before. I'm going to do it with you. So I guess the very straightforward thing is to just ask Manus AI that can it do something like that or not. So I'm going to ask it, can you create Google Slides if I provide you a document containing the information I want to be on these slides. Okay, so it is saying that it's happy to create Google Slides on a document provided. I can extract information. Okay, so upload the document file directly, copy and paste content in the conversation, share a link of the document if stored online. Oh, so it can access online documents as well. Okay, once I have your content, I'll extract key information and organize it into well-structured presentation. Okay, so now it is waiting for me to upload the documents which I've asked. And what is over here? Oh, so it has already made a to-do list that what it is going to do. So it is asking for the document, then it will extract information, design it, create Google Slide presentation, format them, review the quality, and deliver the presentation to the user. That's great. Okay, so let's provide the document to Manus AI. I guess I have to attach it over here. So I'm clicking on attach, and then over here I have a document. In fact, it is a paper which I have to present in a conference. So I'm providing that paper to Manus AI, and let's see if it can produce presentation out of it. And here is the document. Use images present in the document for making the slides more engaging. So let's see what it does now. So currently it is thinking, it is doing something. Oh, it has updated some plan. It is currently extracting information, I guess. Oh, it has created some files as well, I guess. I guess it is converting the PDF document into Google Slides. Now it is extracting text and images. Still it is extracting some text and images. There were 7 pages in the document, so it is going through all the pages one by one. You can click on this thing to see what it is doing. So this is the computer of Manus, and it is doing all these things. It is downloading some things. I don't know what it is doing. It is creating some, I guess it is accessing some libraries to handle PDFs. Okay, I guess now it is on the Google slide creation list. So here is the text of page 1. This is page 2, so it has converted everything into text, and then I guess it is going to analyze this text. So currently it is still on the second step. Out of 7, it is still on the second step. So it is extracting key information from the provided document. And it is over here. I hope it goes well. It has extracted some images which are labeled over here. Okay, so it has done all these things. receive the document, extract information, identify key section, extract images, save images. It has done all these things. And now, oh yes, now it has moved on to third step. And the third step was design the structure of the slides based on extracted information. So it is designing the structure now. So we have title slide, introduction, overview, and all these things. If I can scroll it down. So there are certain, it has made 9 or 10 slides. So this is done, design slide structure. So now it will be on to this point. It is creating the title slide, then it will create the content slide and these things. So now it is on the fourth step, creating the Google Slides. And over here you can see that it has summarized what it has done till now. So currently it is create the Google Slide presentation step. Okay, what it is doing now? It is once again downloading some things. I guess it needs some libraries or some additional tools to handle Google Slides. So it is downloading those things. Also, now it is on the fifth step. And if I open these steps, format this and style the slides for the presentation. So now it has created all the slides and now it is formatting them. So I have my fingers crossed. I don't know what it is going to generate, but I hope it generates something good. Oh, so color scheme has been defined over here. I can understand a bit of things. So the color scheme is dark blue, medium blue, and red accent. Okay, and now it is on the sixth step. And the sixth step was to review the quality of the presentation. So it is going through whatever it has created. So now it is at the final step, which is deliver the final presentation to the user. So I guess it will deliver it to me through this portal. It will give me a link to the presentation. Oh yes, here it is. Oh, in fact, it has provided me the PPT file, PPTX files. I guess I can download these files. Still, it is doing something. Let it stop and then I'll what is in the slides. Okay, so it is explaining me that what it has done. Oh, so it says that it has completed the current task. Okay, so I'm going to close this Manus Computer View, and over here it has summarized what it has done, and over here I have the presentations. Now, why I have two of them? If I click over here, okay, so these are all the files it has generated. This one, the last one over here was the file that I provided. So this is the text, I guess, of page 1, text of page 2, and all these pages. Then over here is the slide structure. And okay, so I guess this is the simple one, and then it has enhanced it. Maybe at the maybe on the sixth step, when it reviewed the presentation, it did something good. So let us open both of them. Yes, I can download them. Okay, let's download it. Okay, so both files have been downloaded. Uh, let's go to our folder over here, the download folder. So first I'm going to open this simple one. After that, I'll open the enhanced one and to see that what's the difference. So, not bad. It has created the slides. The information is there. Obviously, there are some errors. It has cropped the images, but the images are not placed correctly. Over here, you can see that the images have been cropped quite perfectly, but they are not placed perfectly. Okay, so not bad. It has extracted all the information quite perfectly, and it has created these presentations, but you can see that there are some issues with the formatting. For example, whole of this area is empty. Why it is empty, I don't know. The images on these slides, they are not perfectly placed. Okay, so this was the simple one. Let's go to the other one, the enhanced one, and let's see what enhancements it has done. Okay, so the first title slide has some graphic element added to it, but still the formatting remains the same as was in the previous. You can see that it has colored the text using some color scheme. The pictures are still not positioned quite perfectly, but I know that I'm in the field of teaching and I know how cumbersome it is to create presentations from pieces of information. Manus AI has done a pretty nice job. It has created these presentation slides. So of course I have to go through them and adjust the formatting, adjust some things on the presentations, and I'll be done with that. But it has done most of I would say it has done 80% of the task. Rest of the 20 is up to me. I have to do Uh, I have to format it, I have to review it, I have to place the images. Maybe I want to add some more images and all those things. But it has taken a document from me and has perfectly created the slides out of it. Now, these slides can be uploaded to Google Slides, or as I have done over here, it has given me the files which I can open on PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. So, dear learners, I guess this experiment went quite well. And let me go back and see how much credit I have used. So I'm going to go into a new task. So over here, I had 1000 credit points, and now I'm left with 785. So it has used 215 credit points to do the task which I just gave it. So you can imagine the amount of work it has done. It has taken just the document from you, did all the research, went through the document, extracted the images, created the PowerPoint file, provided that PowerPoint file to you, and it has consumed 215 credit points. You can later on purchase these credit points as well. Currently, I have 785 left, so I guess 1000 credit points for free are quite great. So, dear learners, I hope you can now apply for Manus AI and get its free access and test it for yourself. I'll be back with another video where I'm going to test something else on this Manus AI. So till then, take care and goodbye.